Hello friends, I hope you like my videos, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment. So friends, in this video we will discuss about the one of the frequently used investigation tools, that is 5Y analysis, right? So friends, my YouTube channel name is Pharma Quality, so please view, like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the knowledge about the pharma quality standards and practices. So now in this slide we will discuss what is 5Y analysis. So basically, during any non-conformance, deviation out of specification or out of calibration results, 5Y tools we can use to identify the root cause, right? So 5Y investigation is a systematic problem solving techniques used to identify the root cause of an issue by asking why repeatedly, right? Next, 5Y is useful and effective tool to identify the root cause during the investigation. Right. Next is simply ask the question and try to find the exact answer for that. So in this we can ask why on every step to go into the deep and identify the root cause. So in 5Y analysis we can ask frequently why it was happened, so we can get the right answer. So now we will discuss when 5Y analysis can use, that is exact purpose of using 5Y. So first one is it helps to identify the root cause of a problem, that is you can find out the root cause of a non-conformance, right? So second is it determine the relationship between different root cause of a problem, that is you can interpret the different cause with 5Y analysis. Third is it is one of the simplest tools and easy to complete without any statistical analysis, right? So in this you do not need to have any statistical data to find out the root cause. So now we will discuss how to use 5Y analysis. So first one, write down the specific problem. Writing the issue help you to formalize the problem and describe it completely. It also helps a team to focus on the same problem. So you need to have a clear specific problem, right? Then ask why the problem happens and write the answer down below the problem, right? So when you ask why problem observed, so you must have an answer, so that answer you need to write it, right? Then now if the answer you just provided does not identify the root cause of the problem that you wrote down in step 1, ask why again and write that answer down, right? So again you can ask why it was happened based on the answer you got here in the first time. Okay. So now loop back to step 3 here until the team is in agreement that problem's root cause is identified, and again this may take fewer or more times than 5 whys, right? So again you can ask why it was happened based on the answer you got second time, right? So in such a way you can ask why and get the root cause of a problem till the root cause identification. Now in this slide we will take an example, that is how to apply 5Y in an investigation, right? So for example, let's take one example with problem statement, that is machine breakdown in a manufacturing facility, right? So our first question will be why did the machine break down? So let's say the answer is due to overheating, right? So second question will be why did it overheat, right? So answer, let's assume that lack of regular maintenance. So due to the lack of regular maintenance it was overheated, right? So third question will be why was maintenance irregular? So let's assume the answer is insufficient staffing, right? So next question will be like why was the staffing insufficient, right? So let's assume the answer, that is budget constraints, right? So the next question will be, why were there buzzer constraints, right? So the answer, let's assume it, financial cut in operational expenses, right? So now you can say the machine breakdown in manufacturing facility is caused by overheating and specifically due to the lack of regular maintenance. So in such a way you can perform the 5 why analysis. So here I have given a one normal example. So it may be different cause based on the problem statement, right? So, friends, this is all about the 5 why investigation tools. So, I hope you can understand now the what is 5 why analysis, right? So, thank you so much for watching the video.